Hello YouTube, here today we have the one-for-all universal remote control for 8 devices that includes your TV, your DVD player, TV box and overall all the devices that had to do with your TV, plus your audio system, your media streamer, even your gaming console. So let us open this packaging here and check closely the product itself. That's always my least favorite packaging here. You always need a pair of scissors to open this up. So there we have it. Now let's take this here. Well, here it is. Now this is really nice. I mean, I really like the build quality of this one. The M.A.D plastic is not of a cheap quality. And here is the batteries compartment. 2 AAA batteries are needed. And as it seems we have no batteries included here. I always find it better when these are included for a remote control. But anyway, the quality is A1 here. Whether it is the build quality or the shape that feels just right on your hand, and the keys feel really nice. Overall, I wasn't expecting that for such a product from that asking price. Now let's check what else is in the packaging here. Just a quick note. Here we have all the specification on this cardboard here. Now what is exciting about this product is that it supports over 1500 brands, so you can't go wrong with this one. My only gripe are the batteries. I would love to just have some here. So here we have the user's manual, various languages. Here you'll find a respective code for each device and for any manufacturer in a list. Great feature of this universal remote control is the learning setup from an existing remote control, so you can add even more devices here. So this was the unboxing of the one-for-all universal remote control. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from ADEX Tech, thank you for watching.